In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add your website link to your Pinterest profile. So to add your website link to your Pinterest profile, this is a simple thing to do. So the first thing you will need to do is head over to Pinterest. Once you open up the Pinterest app, you will need to click on your profile picture, which is on the bottom bar on the bottom of the screen. Click on your profile picture and then you will need to select the three dots in the top right hand corner. Once you select the three dots, as you can see now, there's an option for settings. If you select the settings tab, what that will do is it will bring you over to this. So from here, what you need to do is simply click on the edit profile option. And then what you need to do now is scroll down until you see website. And here is where you get the option to add your website link. So if you click on that, and you can click and hold down if you're on mobile and select paste. As you can see now, this is a link to one of my YouTube videos that I did copy earlier on today. So what will be in this section here is obviously the link to your website. So it's just that simple to add your website link to Pinterest, guys. If this video did help you out, please let me know in the comments down below, drop a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.